What's up everyone, this is Mr. Random again. In this video I am going to show you how I install WordPress on my server, and this is following up on the lamp install that I just did recently a few video ago. So if you need help with that, check out the other video. If you haven't done that yet, then you need to do that before we do this. That's if you want the lamp install in there, which is Linux, which is the Apache Maria SQL and the PHP on the Linux machine. It's called LAMP for short. Anyways, so we're gonna continue on here. Now I'm using a guide for this, and I'll post the original source for that in the description below. So we want to go to, now there's different ways of doing this. I've done it different ways, but I don't want, some people might say, oh, this isn't the best way to do it. The best way to do it is this other way, and if you don't do it that way, I'll kill you. Oh my god, that's cool. You know, to each their own, but okay. I wouldn't have done it that way, but whatever. So now we got to tar it, extract it, extract file. There we go. Now we delete the file we just downloaded. Yes. Okay. And we have to give it permissions, because if we don't, then this thing will have a field day. Okay. Fuck. No, delete. Oh, forward slash, forward slash. Okay, same thing, except we're doing type F. Execute 644 this time. Same thing. Yes, enter. Okay. Now we have to configure the Apache server. So what we're going to end up doing is creating a wordpress.com file, which is a configuration file, in the httpd conf.d folder. It sounded kind of German, but so basically there's two ways we can do that. We can just create the file. We can just do nano or whatever vi. But since some people here might be beginners, I'm going to show you the directory where you need to go to make it. Okay. Oh fuck. So here you could just do nano. What did we say it was going to be called? Alright, so now I'm going to copy and paste some commands in here. The best way to do this is to use SSH, and you'll be able to use the buffer to copy and paste things in there. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's exactly weird. So there we go. So obviously we're going to change. Alright everybody, so in the first field we're going to put in our server name, and then in the bottom field we're going to put our whole domain address. So it's that easy. I'm going to use my friend's address for his website, so yeah. And then we save it. So Control O to save, Control X to exit, and clear the screen. Then from there we want to, basically we're going to restart the server. What? Um, HTTPD. That's what I said. It's running, so why won't it restart? Okay. Okay, that's weird, but okay. So now we got to set up the database. So we're gonna do mysql -u because we're gonna log in as a user root, and then -p. Enter the password. I already forgot the password. Oh, there we go. So create database db underscore name, and then the little thingy. Done. Then we're gonna create the user. Create user. Mm. And then here's where you put in a password. I'm gonna have to blur this out, but yeah. No, we already did that, right? Yeah, we did that. Fuck. No, wait. That's right. I'm getting confused here. Sorry. Terrible. And we put in the password for our user. There we go. Fuck. Yeah, the original example was confusing, so. Okay. So now we got to install extra modules. Basically, it's just copy and paste. Fuck, I can't find that. Okay, apparently to install this packet here, I have to enable some other stuff. This is outside of the scope in a way, but I'm still gonna include it. So, okay, so it's got to install a little bit more extra stuff, but that's okay. Yes, that's okay. I'm gonna put a link to this here. That way, because one of the packages that is recommended to be installed was not immediately available, but then it will extra little bit of stuff. It's not in the little tutorial, but I'll include it in my source here in a minute. We'll just let this be done. It's already almost done. Okay, so yeah. All right. Now we have to change the SE Linux permissions. I've run into this problem before in the past. It's very annoying. All right. And apparently now we can just finish the install. So see if this works. I'll go to, and I'm going to try this on the side here. What? What? Okay, so I went to my local URL or my local IP where the server's running. You would, if your URL is set up correctly and forwarding and everything, your URL would be whatever your domain name is. Let's say puppies.com. So you would go to puppies.com and it would take you to this page because you need to set up the install. If that's confusing, let me know. But I have to use a local IP because I don't have my domain pointed to my server yet. I have to set that up. That's going to be another video. So we continue. Okay, let's go. Database name is db underscore name. And my username is sysop. And the password, well, I'm going to blur that out. But for now, let's put that in there. And there we go. Oops, I almost forgot to mention y'all. I enable the firewall settings, the permissions, open up the port. This is what I'm doing now. I forgot to do that in the beginning, so I'm showing you how to do it now. This is future me adding this on there. Sorry about that. So we type in the information and install, and we're in. So that's it on that. This marks the end of this video. I'm gonna make another video on some of the things the plugins that you're gonna start need to install to have like better security, better SEO, basically things to optimize your website. I'm also gonna use a guide for that, show you how to install that, and then we'll go from there. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Any comments, leave a comment, and if you need extra help, I'll leave my Discord link so you can go there. Please share and like and all that. Subscribe. I'm making more videos weekly now, so please get the word out. Thank you. Love you. Bye.